What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage, and in this video we're going to be changing out this canister purge valve on this 2015 Expedition with a 3.5 Ecoboost engine. So when the check engine light came on, we scanned it and this is the code that came up. It's a P144c. Now here's the new replacement purge valve. The dealer wanted close to $400 to install this. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can pick this up on Amazon for about $62. And this will take you less than 10 minutes to install. So let's not waste any time, let's get to it. The first thing that you need to do is remove the oil cap. And then you're going to need to pop off the plastic engine cover. Now you can see the purge valve is located right here and it's very easy to get to and replace. Now to remove the hose at the top, there's these tabs that you're going to need to push in like this, then you push out, and once you do that, the hose should pop right off. Next, there's a hose connection right here. The easiest way to get this off is if you get a small screwdriver or a small pick and pry this up. Once you do that, it will pop right off. Next, there's another hose connection below this hose that you see right here. And just like the other clamps, there's a tab that you just push out. And once you do that, it'll pop right off. You can see the two tabs on the top right here. You push in, then push down. Next, we're going to take an 8mm socket and remove this bolt right here. I forgot there's also an electrical connection at the top that you need to remove. Once that's off, it should come right out. Now installing the new purge valve is very easy. You put the purge valve in place, put the bolt back in, then tighten it down with your 8mm socket. Once you do that, it's just a matter of connecting all the hoses. Connect this first hose and make sure it snaps into place. Then connect the electrical connection. Then you connect this other hose right here. Just push it into place and push down on the tab. Make sure it's locked into place. And the same thing with the hose down here. Make sure it's pushed all the way in and push up on the tab to lock it into place. Now you're done installing the purge valve. All you have to do now is install the plastic cover for the engine and then install the oil cap, and then you're done. The whole job shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes and it will save you a ton of money than taking it to the dealership. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll put some other how-to videos up on the screen here that you might be interested in to help you save some money. Thanks again for watching.